Hello, welcome to Tricky Solver. As I've promised before in the previous video, today we like us to talk about operation on SURDS. And when I talk about operation on SURDS, we are simply talking about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of SURDS. Now, in addition and subtraction, SURDS can be added or subtracted on two conditions. Number one condition is they must be of the same order. That we can be able to add surd of order 2 and we can be able to add surd of order 3. But we cannot be able to add surd of order 2 and surd of order 3. Condition number 2 is the number under the root sign must be same. Those are the two conditions which are important. Now, to confirm, in this example, you can clearly see that they are of the same order. We have square root, that is surd of order 2. And number 2, the number under the root sign is 3 for both of them. So for us to solve this one, we let what's common for the 2 is root 3. We let root 3 be a letter A. So we replace root 3 with A. That will be 3 times A plus 5 times A, and this will give us 3A plus 5A, and that is 8A. But we said that A is equal to root 3. We have said that A is equal to root 3. So we are going to replace A with root 3. So the final answer is going to be 8 root 3. In the second example, we also have, clearly you can see that the number under the root sign is the same, and that is square root. The coefficients here, this does not mean root 5. This means that there is 5 which is a coefficient. This is not root 5, this is just 5. So the order, they are of the same order, that is surd of order 2, and the number under the root sign is the same as you can see here. So we let root 3 be again any letter, we can say B now, so that you're going to have here 5 times, we replace this. This is the same as 5 times 3. So we are going to replace 5, we are going to replace the square root of 3 with B. So that will be 5 times 3 minus 2 times, that is 5 times B, 5 times B times 2 times B, 5 times B minus 2 times B, that will give us 5B minus 2B, and the answer is just 3B. But we said that B is equal to root 3. So finally we're going to have the answer as 3 root 3. In multiplication and division, we can be able to divide and multiply surds only if they are of the same order, irrespective of the number under the root sign. You can clearly see here, the number under the root sign here is 6, and the number under the root sign here is 10. So we can comfortably multiply surds if only they are of the same order. And I said in the previous video that in this course, we only deal with surd of order 2. We don't deal with other orders. So what we do here, first we multiply the coefficients of the surds. As you can see here, the coefficient for this surd is 2 and the coefficient for this surd is 7. So we multiply the coefficients, that is 2 times 7. Those are the coefficients. And then we multiply the surds, that is 6 times 10. We put under one square root, and we can get here, we are going to get 14 times the square root of 60, and this is the same as 14 times, that's 14 root 60. 14. So we are here 14 root 60. Here I have simplified root 60, so that becomes root 4 times root 15. The square root of 4 becomes 2. So we multiply 14 times 2 to get 28 root 15. When you come to division, that's the same as still the same we did to, the way we did to multiplication is the same way we are going to tackle division. So what you're going to do is divide the numbers under the root sign, that is 10 and 5. We put under 1 square root, and that should be 10 divided by 5, and that will give us the square root of, if you simplify this, that will be 2. So that is square root of 2. So in multiplication and division, it doesn't matter. The number and the root sign can be different. Only